So in this particular video, I'm going to review my most favorite email marketing tool for creator called Convertkit. So before I begin this video, I want to tell you something. This is not my own account. This is one of my client's account. Properly disclosure over here. Why? Because I want to be honest in front of you guys, and add to that, if I show you my account, that will be a little bit more complicated for you since it's a new account. So it will be easier to understand for you guys how ConvertKit works. So nothing fancy over here. Let's start. So I am into the subscribers tab. That is the first tab inside ConvertKit. So as you can see, here is the net subscriber, total subscriber, and purchases. In net subscriber, they will teach you how many subscriber you got, how many dip you having, how many you got, how many dip you having. That like we are having dip over here. Maybe we send some campaigns, maybe some broadcast he sent. Because this is my client's account, I don't know about broadcast, but automations are entirely handled by me. So this is something that they're doing. Total subscriber count, how the subscribers are increasing. Purchases, how many purchases they've made. You can review this data over here. You can just select these things and you are done. So this is all about this total interface. Like you can do and play with this thing, but this is something that all about the ConvertKit main interface. Like you can see above the fold. And add to that, I really love this chart because it helps you. Like it will help you a lot when you are just want to see some quick stats. Okay, you logged into your mother. What are the thing you will have into your mind? Like, okay, so I am into here. So first of all, let me see the stats. How much money we make, right? Am I right? Then it's a very good feature that I loved about ConvertKit, and there are few demerits of ConvertKit as well. So now let me scroll down and okay. So now you will not be able to see the subscribers. I just backed it off. So as you can see, here you're having a tab called, okay. So we will discuss that later. Now here you are having something called segmentations. Like any other email marketing tool, you can segment your subscribers as well. So I am not running any fancy segmentation right now into this account, but soon I will adjust this off according to segmentations. Then we are having tags. Tags means like the relevancy, what they want. No, we send them 10x ebook, 10x ebook to 10x their business. So we send them 66 subscribers and 66 people clicked on the link and ebook got downloaded. And 110 subscriber we are having that have their paid consulting call. That's I don't know what the word. It's a free consulting call. Yeah, it's free consulting call. Then it is a 30-minute consulting call. That's paid subscriber of there. Then the Akshay homepage pop-up. My client name is Akshay. So homepage pop-up means the pop-up that came on their website's homepage. Then we are having the Facebook group. How many people in emails click the Facebook group? That is the tag associated. And giveaway interested OFA. I don't know what exactly it is. So maybe they created 0 subscribers are there. Then ManyChat, how many people we are having inside ManyChat. So I actually clicked on that tag to show you something. Then RB learning funnel, how many people are inside that funnel, and RB sales. So that's all for this. So let's go into like now what I did. I will just click on this Facebook group. Okay. Now when I clicked on this particular Facebook group button, now we are inside particular tag. So here you can add or remove people. You can click on this edit button and rename the tag. So let me remove this annotation over here. Okay, we are done. So now you can see like now you can came over here and see, okay, so I want to add a name, I want to rename this. So there are no subscriber found. It's good. Okay, I select this to cancel subscriber so that you can't see the emails. But yeah, this is something that you can do. Like FB groups, they are my FB group subscribers. Sounds good. So let's go to next experience now. So now let me select a tag interested OFA. I don't know what exactly tag is. So now we want to see the subscriber that are confirmed. So there is thing called double opt-in and single opt-in. Since you are watching this video, if you are a complete pro who want to shift to ConvertKit, or you are someone who are just starting. For starter, there is something called single opt-in and double opt-in. So what exactly single opt-in and double opt-in is? Single opt-in is something, let me give you an example. You go to hotel and said, okay, give me this. Okay, so you just order. Let's suppose I'm having this earpods over here. You go to a shop and said, give me this. Okay, when you said this, they get the thing to you, and that you can say example of single opt-in. Okay, now what will be the double opt-in? I know example is not too much relevant. You go to shop, you tell I want this iPad, then you will think, okay, so you want this AirPods of this, then you say again yes, then that's a double opt-in. Means single opt-in is nothing. When they came to your website and they fill up the email and click on the enter button, you will get the email. But in double opt-in, they need to verify that email, because one email will be sent to their one email from our host serving provider like Convertkit will send to the inbox, and you to confirm this there. Then complaint subscriber, people who complained about you, like you are spam or something, right? Then cancelled subscriber. Cancelled subscribers are people who cancel, mean click on that unsubscribe button that is always in this bottom of this, you can say, every email. Then bounce subscriber, in, unable to send the email to their email address. And cold subs. Cold subs are nothing that people that are not engaging from a quite a long time. And this is a very good feature. I will show you how you can use that, and I will give you one usage address. Now let me go to the automation. So this is the RB funnel that's running 101 total subscribers are inside, not inside, but total, I think. I don't know. Yeah, inside, I think. So let me create a new automation that you can say CK demo. Okay. So, and then we create a run. Now like how people can join to this? Like you can select a form from here. Like I will show you how you can create a form, but this is something that you can do over here. So ConvertKit mainly is working on these three principles. Okay, so let me go to whiteboard and draw. So what exactly happened in ConvertKit is, you know, you are having a form. You are having a form over here. You're having a form. Okay. Now, what do you want? Now, you are having one form and you want to connect this to a, let me illustrate it for you. Now, here is your sequences. SEQ, okay, shortening. So you are having a form and you are having a sequence. So let me show you what exactly Convert can do. Like in what you can do is like to link this thing. Like when someone came up on my website. So let me open my website over here and I will show you the live demonstration. So I'm open my website. I opened my website in mobile. Now my website address is shehraj.com slash something masterclass something, right? Now I open this particular link for you guys. Now what will happen is like there is a particular form on my site and I want people to sign up there. All right, it's clear. Now people will submit their address to there, but we want to send them to a sequence. But in ConvertKit, you can do it directly. Mean there is a very good functionality that I learned called automation. So what are the automations? So the automation is a game leader between these both things. So what automation do is they connect the form and sequences with each other. So this is something that automations do. So now we are into the automation part. So when someone joined a form, okay, when someone join a form, suppose they join this RB, let me create a new form over here and I will show you how you can create this entire part will be covered over here. So how you want to create a form, you want to create a landing page. So if you're having your website, you want to then form will be good for you. If you want to host your landing page at ConvertKit, then they are having this functionality as well. You do not need a website as well to start using ConvertKit. Sounds cool, right? So let's suppose I want to create a form. I am already having a website. So I want a form to be this model in center of any. After the post, I want to display this thing. Join the newsletter, subscribe to get our content and blah, blah, blah. I do not want to show this powered by ConvertKit. And we are having this form. Like, let's suppose you read my email mastering masterclass. 77 plus subject lines to get more opens. So we want this and we want to underline this. Now this is something, guys, if you press Control and U, what will happen? This will open the source code. So this is something, the demerit of ConvertKit that I have seen, but that also works, like this thing works, but you need to use this thing to, if you are doing any kind of editing in ConvertKit. Control U, they will show you directly source code. That's not good, because if you are keyword savvy like me, Control U, Control B, Control I, Control Shift T, then like this is something that is demerit for you in ConvertKit. Since I requested this feature, maybe they will solve it as soon as possible. So 77 plus subject line to get more opens. uh, mm, okay, committed results, okay, not committed, proven testings of my own, something kind of like, I'm not going into copywriting right now, but this is, now you want one email or what you want from them. So you can set this up over here. Let me, first of all, let me show you this. You can choose the background color of this, and anything you can choose from over here. So let me choose this black. I love black color. So you can do this. Now you want a radius, like border radius, like this is something that looks good. But let's have this at 10. Want a background image, you can set this up over here. Then you want opacity of color, how much background opacity you want, and you can also add custom CSS. Then choose a domain. If you are using a, if you are hosting a domain with ConvertKit, then you can choose it over here, or you can type anything. Then when subscriber do this, what you want to do, like when subscriber enter the email, what you want them to do, show them a success message or redirect them to external page. So you can do this. So display this when people are going to exit my site or scrolled 50%. This is 50% my blog, and timing you can do. And this is something trigger option that are encoding. So this is something that you can do. You can say select pricing. How often you want, like if someone said it, I wanted to show it them after 14 days. So you can choose a domain. This is by default a ConvertKit given domain. You can add custom domain as well. So here is the thing about, I was talking about single opt-in and double opt-in. So what is single opt-in? Send incentive email. You can click on this. This is a single opt-in email that you can send to them. You can edit this over here and do whatever you can. Let me click on the edit and just make this a center. Have a good day, Shehraj. Anything you can add up, right? After that, what you can do, like from here, you can select your email as well. So what I did, I will now show you the email of my client. Privacy issues. Was that funny, guys? So now you want to send them an incentive email or not? I do not want to send them an email, but I want I want to send them an email, and I want single opt-in as well. This is something crazy, guys. I love this functionality of ConvertKit. You can send them an email for the sake of sending them, and you can add them into your list as well. That's crazy, guys. After that, when they click on this link, when you send them a double opt-in link, there will be a one URL. When they will be confirmed, where do you want to redirect them? You want to download or give them a file, or you can send them anywhere. Then settings, changes were shown, already subscribed to. Continue to show option, hide the form, hide, I do not want to show them that already subscribed, send subscriber to a thank you page, or whatever it is. Like these are some invisible recaptcha. You can do this with Google integration, tons of stuff. So you can see reports of your, since it's a new, you will not able to see anything, but you can see the reports, how many subscriber, how much is the conversion rate, and everything goes on over here. So that's something, that's the form that we created. So I want to go some more depth over here, some more in depth. So this is a form that I created for my client. Let me log in into it. Okay. So this is a particular form, is a invent form. So this is a invent form. Okay. I don't know ConvertKit shows invent form stats or not. So we did not hide this because we directly invent this form into a website. Because we are using some other. Mean you are using API to call this. Mean if you, that's little bit advanced. So I don't want to tell you those things. Now 99 subscribers we have opt-in using this form. conversion rate they are not tracking because we are using API connection. That will be visible inside my account there. So this is something that you can do with it. So that's all about landing page and form. Now we have created the first form. First of all, we them give them a form. Then we want a sequence. Now I will show you the sequence that you can write off. Now let me create on this, click on the sequence button. So pitching emails, welcome campaign. This is something a campaign we are running and I can't show you this, but I will show you stats of this email. Now let me create a new open date, new sequence. I want to create a test sequence. So I want to send them how to build a sequence. Then I want to send them this all email. You can use the new editor. I love the new editor. So you can use the editor. So let me write hi Shehraj. So we can specify tag like name. How you can specify tag? Click on the personalization. How you want to tag? If else using subscriber tag. This is pure automation, guys. I really love this. Subscriber tags conditional. Well, if tags conditional, like if a statement you can use, give them a this name, like just think of if they have you have being a paid community whatever it is, and you are having a affiliate marketing course, then you are giving like hi affiliate or hi Harsh. If they're having this tag hi affiliate, otherwise this tag, like you can do this, you can do lots of things. If Convertkit did not having any kind of name of the person, just insert this. What this sequence is, hello, first name, else hello. If we do not have his first name inside of our account, when you want to send, so if someone subscribe instantly, I want to send it right away. So I will click on 0, so it will be immediately. You can send them based on hours and days. After that, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, when you want to send them, you can check this over here. So this is does exclude this subscriber. If you want to do, delete this browser, like how this will look inside browser. So you can see this email. Still, we do not save it. That's why this is coming. So we will save this. Let me click on save all. Now it will be visible like this. Yeah, hello first name. So it's in green, the first name. Okay, then email. What email do you want to send? You can preview our email by sending out to your own, but I will not do this right now. Now let's go to settings. So again, my client email is over here. I will hide that off. Now send emails to these days. You want to exclude some people from your sequences, you can do, and that's all over here. So this was sequences. So you can create multiple sequences. So what we are doing, I will also show you. So you can what was that? Test email. Yeah. So you can just kept on adding blah blah blah. You want to send this, then you want to send this hi, blah blah blah. Then you can send this hi, blah blah blah. This will send immediately one day, one day. I wanted to send after 7 days, 7 days, one day. You can do this over here. Now let me go back and I will show you stats of one of my clients campaign. So let me click on this pitching mails. Now let me click on the reports and let me hide off some like things. Okay, guys, I'm doing it for you. Please have the patience. Okay, done. So this is the reports tag under it. I show you content setting. This is the report tag. This is the pitching email that campaign we are running. We got 93 people completed in it. 8 people unsubscribed during it. 25.4% open rate and 2.6% click rate. Good enough. So we are having these emails. Why this email is having low? This is first email. So we will optimize this, like this email is having less open rate. Maybe this is landing on, you know, in promotion or whatever it is. So we will improve this because first email having good open rate. I will push it to around 30 to 40%. Because okay, sorry. Actually, that's a pitching emails. These are pitching emails. Okay, this is not a welcome campaign, so that's decent enough. So we will improve into it as well. So you can see the stats and you can tell, okay, this is happening, this is happening, this is how we can improve it, this is how we can improve it. So that's all that you can do over here. and you can see the sends and unsubscribe and everything will be visible over here. I hope this makes sense. Now we will go back to automations. Now we will jump into rules, then we go into RSS feed, then we go into integrations. So I opened all a new tab, and let me open this for meanwhile, and let's jump right into the other things. Okay, so let me click on the full screen. How can I enable? Okay, I don't know what is happening. So I can't show you the rules. There will be existing rules over here. So what are the rules? So let me hide that off, because these stuffs are very confidential when you're dealing with clients. Okay, so this is something that you can do. So this is a trigger, this is the action, and this is status. I will show you when I will create a rule, but this is something that you can do. So when someone click on this rule, add them to this, and these are two integration that are live. I will show you in this in our next video or something. So let me make it over here, and let me clear all the drawings. Okay. So triggers, what do you want? When someone subscribe to a sequence, I mean this is something that you can do over here. You can do that in automations as well, but you can do this individually over here by not doing again and again. Suppose you are promoting a email marketing masterclass like I do. So email marketing masterclass. When someone click a link, because I'm promoting it multiple times, when someone click email marketing masterclass, add them a tag email marketing masterclass interested. And when someone sign up for email marketing masterclass, then add them a tag and remove, first of all, remove a tag. They are not interested. They are in email marketing masterclass. And if they attended the masterclass, add them a tag. Okay, you attended the masterclass, got this. If they did not attended the masterclass, give them another tag. This is something very advanced automation, guys, but you do not need to do that because you are not a product creator. I am something one who is doing these things. So this is something that you can do when someone let's suppose when some complete a sequence. We want a test sequence. When someone complete a test sequence, we want them to subscribe to a form. We want to subscribe to a miles form. But do not do this ever, guys. This will create an infinite loop over here. So do not do this. Like what I am doing, I attach this form to the sequence. Like just think of, right, you just subscribe to it, the automation put you again there, again there, again there, again there, again there, again there. This will be a fully automation loop. You can say a fully loop will be created. So do not do this. If you do not understand, just you will not you will get it. Okay, so that's all for the rules. No, nothing too much over here. Like rules is something. Okay, so I think my screen was not visible. Okay, so these are about rules. Just create us and someone subscribe to a sequence, pitching email test, whatever it is, then give them a form. That's all that you can do inside rules. Now RSS feed. RSS feed we are not doing now, but let me tell you something. When someone, let me open my blog's RSS feed. So we do not have RSS feed right now. Okay, I don't know why. I think I changed the URL. Just if you're having blog, just put the RSS feed over here, and Convertkit will be automatically send them emails. Quite crazy, right? Then there is the integration that you can do: OptiMonster, OptiMaxPress, Zapier. Recommended one that I use is Zapier. Then Teachable is a good one if you are selling courses. OptiMonster and OptiMaxPress. These are the tools that I'm using. Stripe is also for payments, and Samcart is good. Podia is for courses. These are all things that you can do inside this. So let's create a automation. Finally, automation after the plenty of stuff. Now let's create automation. We're not talking about rule over here, but we are talking about crazy automation. So what is automation? When someone subscribe to Miles form that we recently created, what do you want to them? Okay, first of all, I want them to a tag added. I want to a tag removed. I want a purchase added. I want a date occurs, or I want a custom field. I don't want anything. I want action. So I want a delay. One day, people need to wait for one day. Okay, when someone subscribe to it after the mail or whatever it is, they need to wait for 1 day. Or what I can make it, they need to wait for, we can add weeks, hours. We're having minutes as well. They need to wait for at least 5 minutes. Okay, this is some. They need to wait for 5 minutes. Then we will run a sequence toward them. Okay, let me. Okay, let me. Which sequence we created? Yeah. So we want a sequence, email sequence. We want to run them a test sequence. Okay. All right. So we created something. When number miles form, 5 minutes watch, then the test sequence will run. Sounds good? Then what you can do is, okay, we can do some, add some tags as well. So you can tag over here, add tag. Okay, inside miles form sequence. Then you can remove tags. Outside here, outside remove or sort of the particular tag. So the tagging and segmentation you can do over here. Move subscriber, you can move them to the list. Conditions you can apply if they're having this tag. Let's suppose they not purchased this course. If they're having the tag like you then coaching, if they're having this 10x ebook tag, then if they're having this tag has tag, they, if yes, then send them to this email. If no, like if they purchased course, then yes, send them to this sequence, no selling. No, then send them to other sequence for selling. So this is something that you can do inside automations. So that's all enough for this thing, and let's go into broadcast. So broadcast I did not touch. Okay, they having, okay, they recently sent out a broadcast. Wow. They recently sent a broadcast while I was recording this video. 9:40, 9:47 is the, I mean, 7 minutes ago. They were also live on this particular account. So they send, hey, you have won 15 minutes. Okay, that's all. Let me click on the new broadcast. You can click here to click new broadcast. That wasn't dot, so I clicked on it. So which email you want to send them, whom you want to send everything you can select over here. You want to people that are subscribed to this particular list, this particular tag, their subscription date according to their distance from city. Lots of automation you can do. Now I will leave it for all subscribers. Now you can write your email over here. I recommend new editor. You can browse and see. You can select your templates over here. So this is my custom template that I added over here. And one bonus for you guys. If you will sign up for Convertkit using my affiliate link that is given below this video, I will give you this template for absolutely free. I'm not joking. I will give it for absolutely free. Then click on the next tab. Okay, we want to send them this, this, this. And this is the email we want to send them right now. You can do and you can schedule the email as well. Now let's go into your not profile. Profile is something that I do not want to show you guys. Profile is nothing. Your email name and password will be there. No, not password, I mean password changing settings. So let's go into company. So in company, I let me go here. Like lots of credentials are inside here that I do not want you guys to see. So now API keys are hidden over here. Let me continue this. So here you can add your company name if you want to. If you don't want to, then skip that off. Then you can add your domain name, the custom domain name that you want to have with ConvertKit, and whatsoever you can do these things. If you go under that, then you will see some things like this. You do want to become a ConvertKit affiliate, then this is your link. This is not your link yet because they are just creating for your UTM parameters. Then GDPR compliance, if you are in dealing in Europe, then you must need to do. Else I will also recommend you to do few of these things because legal issues are very much right now in this stage. So now let me click on the next option. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay. So now I clicked on the next option. Now what you will able to see over here is the email settings. This is the email. You can add your emails over here, which email from you want to send. You can set a default timing. You can add your address. Address is very important for anti-spam things. So I always have your real address there. Don't try to put them an old address. Then if you go something little bit down, then you can see some things, right, like everything you can see over here. So here you can see like add ID. You want to track ConvertKit customer, it will add a URL parameter like from which source it's coming. You can add this into your email, but this allows plugin to sync. Okay, so this allows plugin to sync the subscriber visitor from your, coming from ConvertKit tracking. If you are more into tracking, then you will love it. This is something that I really love about this ConvertKit tool. And there are plenty of cons as well of ConvertKit. Then I will go into that custom domain tab. Custom domain is nothing. Add your domain here. They will give you something, I think, name server or something. Let me add my domain, shehraj.com, even though I'm not willing to add. So you need to select a landing page. I do not have any landing page created yet. Yeah, we will create a landing page now. Then you can configure your DNS according to their instructions. Then second will be the billing thing. Billing thing, I do not want to go too much into it because billing issues, clients issue, billing. So I want to hide something over here. Let me. It's very weird to draw every time. Okay, so now you can see the screen. So this is the billing, your plan plus referral bonuses. ConvertKit also give some referral bonuses. Like they will give you up to, if you refer ConvertKit to 10 friends, then you will get 100 email subscriber for absolutely free. You can keep this up to 2,000 email subs. Like we refer to, I think he referred to someone one. That's why mainly it's 1,000 for $29. It's 1,100. Mean they refer someone else, right? Then you can add someone into your team. ConvertKit also allows you to add people into your team. So you need to do nothing, just add the email over here and they are into your team. So I am logged in into admin account, so you can add this over here. So let me remove this drawing. So you can give them access, like I want to give access to Shehraj, blah 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 @shehraj.com. I want him to be an editor or a manager. Since I'm using account, they are not techy. So I'm handling their main account and I know some their billing stuff as well. So here is our refer bonuses. So I don't know, this mail is visible. It's a fake mail, I think. I don't know what exactly it is. So they refer to this guy, they just copy the link, or you want to send them an invitation, just type the name, Shehraj, @shehraj.com. This is my email. You can email me over here. Click on the send. It will be sent. A simple invitation will be sent. If your subscribe friend to join this, clicked on it, you can see here is a send something. They have sent this email. Now I will receive an email from here. Now, if I clicked on that email and join this ConvertKit, I will be entered over here and they will be rewarded as 300 subscriber. Good deal, right? Very good referral program ConvertKit is running. Then we will go into email template that I'm going to give you. You can use this textonic template or Shehraj's given special template. Want that? Sign up this tool using my link. Okay, that's a bonus for you guys. Then you can choose the templates over here. Honestly, I do not love any templates of ConvertKit. That's why I built my own. Then content snippets. Like if you are someone who do not want to write every time, regards, Shehraj Singh, email marketing strategist, and every time, then this is something that you can do. Create a content snippet like Shehraj Singh email guy or something. Just give them a name, anything, then click on the save, then you can add this into the content snippet. I think I did not show you that part, right? So I will show you that. Now let's go to landing page. That's all we covered about. We covered a lot about ConvertKit, So now I will show you how you can create a landing page. Then I will show you how you can play with the editor because we do not play with the editor yet. So I want to create this page. I will click on choose. Page is created. Like that, every setting is same, like form, every setting is same, just few more options, connect Facebook ads and everything. Connect it. Shehraj Singh list. Join Shehraj Singh list. Something kind of, you can add image over there, pre-built templates. Honestly, you can't build a custom template over here in ConvertKit. They did not allow you. So that's all they do. Like click on save and publish. You can create your landing page over here. Every setting is similar to that thing. Nothing fancy. Let me click on that broadcast button. Let me click on new broadcast to skip the process. Now I will show you how you can use the editor, and then we will wrap up this video. And if guys, if you want to join ConvertKit, then click on this link, go.shehraj.com/ConvertKit. That will be displaying right over here in the screen. Add to that, I am offering you bonus as well. The bonus is nothing but email template from my site, so make sure you go there. So let me see, like email subject you want to put, you can A/B test them as well. New broadcast, new bot, new bot. So I will use new editor because I'm not using too much. So now I clicked on this duplicate to show you how you can duplicate. It's very easy to duplicate your broadcast. I will click on the switch to legacy. This is the old editor. Want to shift to new, click on the new editor. Very easy for you. Now let's see how we can start. Like you can write email. Shehraj is awesome. I am awesome. Then you can add over here. Okay. So grammar mistakes. My name is not Shivraj. It's Shehraj. Okay, Grammarly. You can add an image over here. You can upload a file over here if you want to do an email. You can add a button. You can add a video. You can add a divider like this that I did over here in my template. You can add HTML blog. You can add a personalization thing. You can add a snippet, the content snippet that we've seen over there. Headings. You can add a number list or something, another list, and the block code like what you want to live. Blah, blah, blah. Anything you can type, and you can skip this blog post. That's all for ConvertKit demo. I hope guys it's helped you to make a decision you need to opt for ConvertKit or not. So that's all for this particular video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this particular video, like it, share it, and make sure you sign up ConvertKit using my affiliate link. And it's time to tell the cons. Like unlike any other tool, this is meant for creator. If you are a creator, then go for it. But if you are a product vendor like me, then I will recommend you to go for some other tools in the market. Uh, but ConvertKit is something that's really good for creator. This is the only one that I have seen inside ConvertKit, and it's too much time, guys. I am recording this particular video. So that's all for this particular video. If you like this particular video and find any value in it, then please drop your value comment in the video. That's all enough for this particular video lesson, and I will see you inside next one.